Today we're back at the Zone Gym with London PT Monika. In this video, she's going to take you through her intense full-body workout, using a variety of exercises such as deadlifts, lat pull-downs, and leg curls. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video for a secret exercise that's a hidden gem for most. If you want to lose weight fast, try Fat Stripper Intense, the strongest natural fat burner on the market with no side effects. Monika starts her workout with leg curls. Leg curls can be an excellent warm-up exercise, especially for activities involving the lower body. They can increase blood flow, enhance flexibility, improve range of motion, and importantly, reduce the risk of injury. While lat pull-downs primarily target the lats, they also engage other muscles in the back, including the rhomboids, rear deltoids and traps, as well as the biceps and forearms. This makes lat pull-downs an effective compound exercise for building upper body strength and muscle mass. Deadlifts are a big compound move and are recommended to be done early in the session to maximize your effort and results. Strengthening the back muscles with seated rows can help improve posture by balancing the muscles around the spine and shoulders, reducing the tendency to slouch.